Thank you guys, thank you very much. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's episode is on making one of the easiest, yummiest and cheesiest egg toast out there. That was delicious. Well guys, we have come to the end of our video today. If you did like the recipe, if you did try it, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of these things guys, put them down on the comment section below. If you're new and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Till next time, goodbye, stay safe, God bless you.